Guys, when it comes to putting your gear together, organization is key. And a lot of times with backpacks, there's a lot of organization that's built in, but sometimes you need to pull something out. Just a small pouch, and to be able to pull it out of your pack. One thing that I personally like to do is a fire kit. I mean, it's just easy to just pack away. It could be just your EDC kit. In fact, we did a video just talking about those essentials that you find yourself needing every day. Slipping this in a glove box, having it handy where you can get right to it, where you know where things are. Because there's nothing worse than digging through a backpack. And guys, I've done it a number of times. And I find that having small little pouches makes the difference between being organized and just being disorganized. So we're going to go through a number of different ways you can set up and organize your gear in these small pouches to keep those things that are essential right at your fingertips. And we're using one of the new Ember Roaring Fire gear pouches. This is an EDC pouch. There's a lot of cool features about it, so we'll talk about that as well. Now again, I have some different setups here, and mainly this is just to give you some ideas about the potential, because really having multiple little bags like this really come in handy for me. This is, again, the Ember pouch from Roaring Fire Gear. I love the two-tone. It is 1000 Kadura and has YKK zippers with paracord pulls. Great little grab handle. I mean, this is a solid pouch. We'll look at the inside in a minute. But shock cord. But, just having some kind of small pouch just to be able to get all those items together. And you can see if this was just in a organizational sleeve in your backpack, sometimes they're difficult to get to. So those items that you use a lot, you're able to pull these out. And I really like the redundancy. I have my EDC with a flashlight and a knife, but having some other items like a pad, having some matches. Of course, fire starting to me is a big deal. And this is from Exotac. I mean, it's just a cool system. I really like Exotac products because they really put a lot of thought behind them. Here we have a battery backup, and this is solar, and we also have a cable for it. I have some Ranger bands, some extra batteries, a small screwdriver, another way to start fire. Again, guys, I'm kind of over the top with it. But this just gives you a lot of organization. Now, what I love about these packs in particular is they have the contrast material inside. So when you open this up, you can see everything right there. Now, I believe there are 18 different elastic loops, front and back. So you can do a lot of different organization. And then you have 2 sleeves in the back. And then here on the front, this is a Velcro sleeve, which I really like because you're not going to lose it. And you can put things down in there. So just a very easy way to get things organized. Now, one thing that I really try to put together in all my kits is an extra fire kit. This has all the different essentials I need, and it's a lot of redundancy, but guys, if you've ever been out in the woods or trying to start a fire somewhere, having this together in one place is just beautiful. I mean, that's about all I can say. And having different methods to be able to start fires. The Bic lighter is definitely one that I like to use on a lot of things because it's so easy and convenient. But there are times where the Bic lighter just won't work. And it's been, the fuel can all drain out, or, the splint's not working. And so I like to have other ways. And of course, a fire steel is probably my number one for longevity. This is one of the Exotac fire rods. It's one of the extra large. And these things are excellent and, for starting fire, and you can start a lot of fires. Butane lighter. And then also some waterproof matches. I mean, here we have a lighter, and this is a butane lighter, but sometimes they can run out of fuel. And so, just having those different ways, another nano striker. And then we have some more fire tinder. This is some wood impregnated with wax, and it really burns well. But I like the Tinder Tabs. These are great. U.S. military uses these. But my favorite is the Vaseline and cotton balls because I can make them up. They're cheap to make up, and they're super effective. And then there are other things like this Combat Wild Fire starter, and we did a review on this. That's just the piece that was left over, and it fits. But I also like extra striking boards to keep in here because sometimes these matchboxes, they can get wet, and you need something that makes it a little different. And I like a flashlight. And this is just something that, to me, especially if you're in the dark fumbling around, you've got a light right here. Now, I keep my EDC again, but this just makes it nice. And you can organize your gear however you want to. Of course, there's multiple loops, so you can put them in however you want to. And again, that different contrasting color, I mean, this golden color really shines out. And yet, when you close this up, you don't see it. And you can even keep some items, again, right here in this front pouch. And then, of course, you can put your patches or whatever you want to on the front. But one thing I do like about these pouches is the grab handle is exceptional. And they've got it stitched in, triple stitched, and then you have your little grab handle, and then it has MOLLE attachments on the back. So, and then even little D-ring attachments here and here and at the top. Now, a big one is your medical kit, and of course putting a patch on there is important, not just for you, but also for those who might be tending to you if you get yourself in a situation. So we have the paracord pulls and the YKK zippers, which makes this really nice, but we can stuff this thing slam full. And as you can see, I have a full trauma kit in here with a cat tourniquet. I have cutting shears. We have some bandage material here. I even have a space blanket for shock. And then we have some gauze here in the back. And then, of course, we have some H&H gauze, some C-locks, and have some Band-Aids. You know, boo-boo kits are important, and some tape. And there's some other things you can do with a larger bag, but this just kind of keeps everything together. And we keep these with our range gear at all times. And again, that contrasting color, guys, I'm telling you, that is really big, because it really helps you to see what's in the sack. Okay, another thing I failed to mention is we have a little hook here, a keeper, and you know, you can put your keys on here. You can do a lot of different things, even a small flashlight. And you can actually switch this to the other side. And last but not least, this is very similar to my EDC pack. It's mainly things that, you know, I would just have on an everyday basis. Chapstick, Advil. I even have a little repair kit. Again, it's Exotac. I'm telling you guys, I'm just an Exotac freak. My toenail clippers or fingernail clippers, I never can find them, so if I keep them in here, they're great. And one of the small Baton Pros from Olight, and you know, and keep a charging cable in here as well. Small multi-tool, card reader, and a small thumb drive, a battery pack, pad to write on, and I keep some of my business cards in here too, so I can get right to them. Even some drink, if I want to mix something up and I just need some water, I can do that. I have some Band-Aids back there as well. And then I have a SD card right here, and we have an extra battery here for the light. But these are just things that I use just regular every day. It's not the end of the world survival stuff. And so it makes it really nice. Now on this little tether, I've got a small little flashlight. And that's what we were talking about before. It just kind of goes in very well. And this is one of their UV lights. Especially when you're traveling, it's great to find the nasties in your room. But small little pouches, a lot of different features here that you can organize your gear again to whatever you want to. And again, that contrasting color is just awesome. And guys, I really like the size of this pouch. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do to it. Sometimes they're a little bit too big. They take up a lot of room. With this, I can organize and compartmentalize everything that I have. And guys, I'll tell you, I like a lot of these little pouches. And obviously you can see here, these are 7.5 inches by 6, and then it's 1.5 inches deep, but it'll expand on out past that. Of course, with the MOLLE webbing, you can attach this to whatever, or you can attach something to it. But personally, I just like these to throw in my bag. But it's great to be able to have that addition where you can just put that on high tensile strength webbing, and again, it's really triple stitched. And so these are great little packs. And I want to thank Roaring Fire Gear. They sent a few of these packs, and I just thought this would be a great way to show the packs off, but yet give you some ideas on getting really organized. And I think these run $26.99 on the Roaring Fire Gear website, and you can use Ember 10 to get 10% off. So they run about $24. They're 1000 denier Cordura. They have YKK zippers. Great grab handle. I mean, there's just a lot of cool features with this pack for the price. And free shipping and lifetime warranty. So guys, get yourself organized, especially that gear that's essential, keeping things together that are in one place, things you use a lot, and you can have it right there at your fingertips, being able to pull it out. Especially if you have it deep into a pack, sometimes it's just hard to find those things. Or you can throw it in your glove box, throw it in your cargo bin, wherever you need something where you need to find it and get to it. Because one thing I know is when I need a pair of fingernail clippers, man, it's always a chore. But with these little pouches, I keep it right there together. And I want to thank Roaring Fire Gear for sending the Ember for this test and evaluation. And guys, check them out at roaringfiregear.com. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic. There's a number of different things you can go with, and so we're just going to take a look at some different ways you can set up your pouch. We're going to be using Embers. This is a new little pouch. Here we have some matches. Okay, here we have a lighter, and this lighter is not going to stay. Check them out. Check them out. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Oh my gosh, I don't even know why I'm laughing.